Howdy, folks! This is the River King Mine Train, a steel hybrid terrain roller coaster at Six Flags St. Louis in Missouri. This attraction opened with Six Flags in 1971 and was the park's first coaster. The ride was engineered built by Aerodynamics, which is a name you might recognize if you're a Disney fan. Aerodynamics' very first coaster project was the Matterhorn bobsleds at Disneyland, built in 1959. In 1984, the ride got a major upgrade that included track changes and the addition of stand-up cars. It was renamed the Railblazer. But that didn't last long. Weeks after opening, a rider fell from a moving car and died. All of the ride's changes were undone, and the name changed back to River King Mine Train. Well, on that cheerful note, don't forget to strike that light. Hold on to your hats and enjoy the ride.
Make you famous. It's like the only smooth part of the ride. Oh no! This one, a lovely little coaster. Last ride of the night. Awesome!
Yeah. Nice. Put your wings in. Onto the right. What's up? Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.